All right, at my next job, House Call Pro tells me it's built in 1961, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and 2,300 square feet. Start my time. Excellent. Let's go.
Hi, how are you?
Come on in.
Thank you, sir. I'm Mike.
Leon.
Pleasure.
Come on in.
Thank you.
All
Downstairs?
Right. Yes. So here's the story. So the unit was installed in July of 2019.
Here's my card, by the way.
Thank you. So it's relatively new.
Okay.
So just yesterday, it just got really hot in the house. What's going on? So this thing isn't clicking on. I took a screwdriver. It goes on. Just turn the blade starts running.
Okay.
So I'm thinking.
Was that a Jiu-Jitsu?
Yeah.
Wow.
Good or bad?
No, you don't see too many of those. Jiu-Jitsu is known for their ductless systems, not their traditional split system like what you have. Okay, so turn on the thermostat. Let's see what it does.
So, but even when it was spinning, it didn't get cold inside the house.
Understood.
Makes a clicking sound when the fire is going on.
Yeah, that kind of sounds.
Okie dokie.
Let me grab my tools and we'll see what's going on.
$3.5 ton, June 2019. Have you had any maintenance on this recently? No.
A few moments later.
Damn. Put the screws back in. Turn her on.
Kicked off a few seconds ago. Okie dokie.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. If you're in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area, you're tired of getting bamboozled by your HVAC contractor. This one supposedly was just cleaned last year. I don't think so. give us a call at 516-348-6300. We're based in Woodmere, New York. We service the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area. I'd love to help you too. You can also book an appointment online at pipedoc.net. We'll catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, and stay safe.